Hi lovelies, yes, what is up? I know it has been a week since we last had a conversation, but I'm just so glad to be back uploading videos again for you guys. And yes, I know we are doing something completely different. I know it's different. We are going to be doing some press-ons today, and this is the first time ever I'm going to be wearing press-ons. So before I went ahead and started polishing my nails, I did go ahead and size them on my natural nail plates, and all the polishes that I'm using for this design is by MadamGlam, and I would list them all in my description box below, as well as the link and my 30% off coupon code. So I did 2 coats of this red, and I did cure in between each coat, of course, and then I went in with my gem gel around the cuticle area, and I'm using my Makartt picker tool in order to go ahead and place my crystals. And I've been loving this picker tool like no joke. I'm actually featuring it now on my Amazon storefront, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. It has all my favorite nail goodies on there, even some of the equipment that I use to film with. So after doing that, I'm just going to make sure that I'm happy with the placement, and I'm going to go in with my MadamGlam's no wipe gel top coats, and we're just going to seal those crystals in. And I know some of y'all are wondering, like, why Taylor, why are we wearing press-ons now? And that is because your girl has not had the time to sit and do her own nails. And to be honest with you guys, after doing this set, I think that I prefer to do my designs like this now, especially on myself, where I can show you guys every single thing and not be out of frame and not forget to press record. You guys know we struggle with that over here. Like, I'm not even going to front. It's going to be my index finger, and on this nail I decided to start off with this shea pink, and I'm really loving this as a nail bed color now. And this is in the MadamGlam's one step gel section of their website. So after curing that pink, I only did 1 coat of it, and I went in with the same red, and we're going to be creating a straight French across the tip of this nail. Now this line does not need to be perfect in any way, form or fashion, because I am going to go in and apply some crystals over it. But I did do 2 coats of this red, and I also made sure to remove any excess gel, and this is just going to help me maintain the shape of this nail. And then I'm going to cure it, and I'm going in with my gem gel straight across that red line and then to the center of this nail. Immediately on top of that, I'm going to apply my no wipe gel top coat, and I'm going to start pressing my crystals into the wet gel. When I'm happy with the way that my crystals are placed, I'm going to go in one more time and remove any excess gel just to keep that shape nice and sharp. And then I'm going to give this nail another cure, and that will be the last cure for this nail. Tell me, what have you guys been up to for the past week? It's been killing me that I have not been able to upload for you guys, but we're back on schedule. I have a lot of videos on my phone filling up my storage right now that I need to get edited and uploaded for you guys. So maybe in the near future some of my videos are going to be without my voice and just music, depending on how busy I actually am. But I do have videos already edited that just need to voice over, so be on the lookout for that. So all those who noticed that I was gone for a week and really did genuinely miss my videos, blow up my comment section with these heart-eyed emojis. That way I know that you guys really do enjoy and appreciate the tutorials that I bring for you, and I will try my hardest best not to stay away from you guys for that long again. We'll at least do 1 to 2 videos for the week. I'm really trying to keep it consistent with these videos, guys, but the way how my schedule is set up, it is making it really difficult. So this is going to be my pinky nail, and I'm going in with this gorgeous bluish green gel polish, and I am going to plug it. This one is called On My Way because it is a must-have for your gel polish collection. It is one of my favorites, and I did do 2 coats. I cured in between each coat, and then I'm going to take my gem gel. I'm going to place it to the center of the cuticle area, and we're going to go in with 2 Swarovski crystals, some gold micro beads, and this gold triangle metal stud. After I do that, I'm going to go in immediately with my no wipe gel top coat, seal those crystals in, go over the gold because they tend to fade if you don't top coat them, and then I'm going to cure this nail. For my other 3 nails, I'm going to be using this nude as a base, and I'm only going to do one nice even coat of this. I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to come back in and apply my matte gel top coat. And the reason why I'm only doing one coat is because it does give really nice coverage with just one coat, but I'm also going to come in and do like a color in design, so you're not really going to see the nude much. And now with that matte cured, and I prefer to draw on matte nails because it just makes it a whole lot easier, and that gel is not going to be running everywhere. So with my Ugly Ducklings striper brush, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this to create my abstract. Now I find it a whole lot easier to do the black first and then go in with a detailer brush and color in the patches that you need, rather than trying to draw the patches first and then having to go in and outline. So if you're having an issue with this type of design, definitely try it this way and tell me how it works out. And if you recreate this set, at me on Instagram, it's at BeGlamorous Nails, and I will have it on your screen. And I would share, well, not I would, I usually do share your awesome recreations in my snaps on Instagram anyway, because I'm so proud of the recreations and I'm just love seeing the designs that you guys come up with using these videos to inspire you. So feel free to recreate, at me, tag me, hashtag stay glamorous, and share these videos with anybody that you know loves nail art and you think this video can help them. Definitely go ahead and give it a share, and while you're there, give it a like, and if you're not yet subscribed, feel free to click on that subscribe button. I will really appreciate it, and join the notification gang. I mean, be the first to know when your girl posts a new video by just clicking on that notification bell. So you guys know when I do my nail art designs, I just allow you to watch me do it. So that is what I'm going to do. The rest of the press-ons are just going to be this tribal print, and each nail is going to be different. Now there is no right or wrong way in drawing these lines. You can be as precise or as random as you want. Now I was watching a pattern when I was doing this design, however I did not stick with that pattern. I improvised wherever I needed to. You can go ahead and feel free and just go with the flow. Like as you guys see in this video, like I didn't leave it out, I left it in. Every time I made a mistake and I didn't like it, I went in with my cleanup brush and some alcohol and I removed my mistake and I went over it again until I was happy with it, and then I just went in and cured it. Now because of the time, I decided to do these nails because I do have a bridal shower to attend to, and I needed my nails looking hot and popping because let's be real, I'm going to an event where people know me for doing nails. The first thing they do is snatch my hands and ask to see my nails, and I can't have busted nails. So I figured press-ons would have been the fastest way to go, and it did work really well. I tried doing it the way as how we would do the gel X, but it was not curing the gel underneath the polish, so I just went in with my regular nail glue and glued them on. And I know I'll end up having to sew them off with socks, so if you guys know of an easier way to put press-ons on, please tell me in the comment section below. I will really appreciate it. And I know in this case I didn't have to have press-ons or nails on, but I am a strong believer in representing yourself and representing your brand to its full potential. Like nobody can represent you the way that you can. Wear it with confidence, wear it with pride, and that is what I do. So that is another way in growing my clientele. So that is the advice I want to pass on to you guys. Like always have yourself representing whatever profession you choose. And to be honest with you guys, it took me a really long time to be proud of what I do and to own my brand because of the naysayers and everybody saying that it's not a real career and all the negative birds chirping in my ear. And to be honest with you guys, my husband has always been that one constant. Like he's always been there, he's always believed in what I do from day one. He's always encouraged me. Even with YouTube, he gets really mad at me when I don't post a video for you guys, so y'all need to appreciate him as well. Don't let the negative thoughts and comments and the naysayers get you down. Like believe in you, believe in yourself, and anything is possible. Hard work, determination. For me, I still have a lot of stuff personally when it comes to my nails that I want to improve on, and and you always keep trying to be better. You always keep aiming for higher standards for yourself, for your business, and for your brand. And never settle, never ever settle. I don't know how this tutorial turned into like a whole motivational speech, but really and truly, guys, I just love talking to you guys so much, and I'd love for you guys to take this bit of advice and use it in your everyday life. No matter what you do for a living, it does not have to be nails. Whatever your dream, your goal, and your passion is to succeed in life, go for it. So I hope you guys know you're not the only one that struggles with the negative comments and the negativity, even amongst family, sometimes friends. So I just want you to know that you are not alone in this situation. Like, we all go through it, but for me, I don't like to say go through it, I like to say grow through it. So let's all grow through it together. Use it as your willpower, use it as that extra push that you need in order to succeed. So here is the final result. I really love how these turned out. They are so bright and popping, and according to Shade Room, African print is so in this summer, and these are so gorgeous. They're going to fit right in. So I am going to leave you guys right here. Remember to check out my description box below for all the names of the gel polishes that I used in this video, and my Madam Glam's 30% off coupon code. As always, I would love for you to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.